Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to cover our word work, which is going over our homophones and then completing the activity that you had yesterday. I'm going to go over it today and then show you your new assignment for today. Okay? Yesterday you should have read pages 12 through 15, the section talking about the shrinking ice. I hope you enjoyed reading it, and I hope you're able to tell me, or you'll be able to tell your parents or tell me why the ice is shrinking. Okay, before we get to that, let's go review what a homophone is. Okay, so remember, a homophone is words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. This week we're focusing on there and there. This there is location, this there is ownership. Then we go into proofs. Okay, so there is here and our is there. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of what you're going to be seeing on your work for today. So you're going to have a sentence like this, and you're going to have to fill in the blank with the correct there. Okay, so this says, that is their pencil box. Okay, which there would be the best fit? That is here pencil box, that is our pencil box. Our would sound the best. So the correct one for that is there. Their. That is their pencil box. Okay, let's look at a different sentence. Now let's look at this one. The coats go over there. Now which there are we looking for? Are we doing this there? Which the proof for this there was our. The coats go over our. Does that make sense? No. The right there for this one would be this there, because the proof for that is here. The coats go over here. Does that make sense? Yes, this is the correct there. So I'm going to show you really quick that you have pretty much what I just did right now. You have on your Google form. So if you look down here, it says I put the box of candies over, and then you have to select the right there. That is blank school mascot. So that is their school mascot. Okay, well, which there? Okay. Now let's go jump into your assignment for cause and effect. So what you had to do yesterday was finish off this effect. So it says, because polar bears have waterproof fur, sorry, that should be a comma. What is the result? And I had you look at page 9. So you go to page 9, and it says polar bear fur is waterproof, so the icy waters in which they swim don't make them cold. So if you put that, the icy waters don't make them cold, that would be correct. Okay? So I put something along the lines of, because polar bears have waterproof fur, it helps them stay warm when swimming. So that's the effect that I had there. Okay, so again, I had my why. Okay, why polar bears have waterproof fur. It helps them stay warm when they're swimming. Okay, so that's what you should have gotten whenever you were doing your assignment yesterday. Okay, so let's go look at the assigned page that you have today and the questions for the assignments that you guys have. So today you're going to read pages 16 through, I believe, 19. Yes, 16 through 19. And 16 through 19 is split up into two different sections. The first section is called Other Problems. So it's going to go over the different types of problems that polar bears face, or that the tundra faces during certain times. Okay, so I was looking at some words to kind of go over with you. One of the words I wanted to go over is this word right here. Ingest. Okay, so when polar bears eat the seals, they ingest the toxins. Okay, if you're not familiar with what this word means, this is a bolded word. So this bolded word will be in the glossary, in the very back, and it is right here, as it was not in order. So ingest means to consume or to eat. Okay, so I go back. when bears eat the seals, they eat the toxins, okay? They ingest the toxins, or they consume the toxins, okay? Same thing here. On page 17, I wanted to go over two different words. The first one is exploration. So you have the word explore, and then you have ation. Okay, this exploration and drilling could have serious, and then here's the other word, consequences. So you have consequences. Okay, let's keep looking. Okay, I didn't have any on this page, but something I did want you to understand, this is a different section. So these two pages, page 16 and 17, go over other problems, and then 18 and 19 goes over the conclusion. Okay, so I want you to read the conclusion. Remember not to skip over these types of little pictures or diagrams. Remember, the authors put in these pictures and diagrams to help us out. Okay, same thing here. I want you to go ahead and read this, and then I want you to notice something that they put down here. Okay, I'm going to read it for you. It says, they are taking steps to protect these beneficent creatures. For more information, visit their websites. So they actually put web pages here, right here and right here for you to go visit those websites if you are more, or if you're interested in finding out how to help polar bears and to find out more information on what's been happening in the tundras. Okay? Alright, so after you read page 16 through 19, you're going to go into your Google form activity, write your first and your last name, select your teacher, then you're going to answer these two cause and effect questions first. Okay, so it says global warming is causing, so you have to go figure out what is the result for global warming. What are we looking for the result? Okay, because global warming is the cause, the why. Now, so you have the why, so what's happening? What's the results for that? So you're going to go pick your answer. Okay, what else besides melting ice caps is creating a negative effect on polar bears? So again, you're going to go find out what's causing that effect on those polar bears. And you're going to go answer that question. Then you're going to go answer these two that go over homophones. So in total, you have 4 questions. Okay? So again, your assignment for today is to read pages 16 through 19 and to complete your Google form activity. Okay? I'll talk to you guys next week. Have a good weekend. Bye!